Okay, one of the really nice features in Excel is we can get the subtotals of any values in the table. So let's open the first set in this file, and from task 1 we already choose the sales representative for sort that informations according to that column. So you can just choose anything like this, but let's say we want to get a subtotal for region, so Midwest, North, something like that, right? So this is how it works. Go to data, and on this outline group, one of the choice is subtotal. When you click it, the whole data is selected, which our selected cell is included, right? And when you click the subtotal, this small window dialog box appears, and you could choose many things here, but let's say region. Okay, for the we need to change it, and we want to get the sum, okay, of the sales, okay, the last one. And of course, when you open it the first time, I think it's going to select it. These two boxes are selected. Okay, so just keep that way. So the first one is region, second one is sum, and actually sum of sales, right? That's what we want to do. And there's no subtotals yet. Okay, so this is our selection, and click OK. Then over here we have these three small boxes appears, and when you go down, it looks like it doesn't change that much, but look at here in this column, that's Midwest, the region, the first one, and at the end of that region, that is the total so far up to that much, right? So to see that one, all we need is just click this number 2, then it's just hide all the information except the subtotals of each region, like this. So according to this, we know the total of sales in this region will be that, and North will be that, and grand total of the sales will be this one. If you want to see individual one, just click this plus sign for any region or any group. It shows all the details files of that chosen one. So it's just by clicking this negative or positive sign, you can see the whole data, the summary of it, or the detailed one, like that. Okay, so let me go down a little bit here. So let me go back to original one, and even if you click this negative sign, it shows just only grand total for that. Okay? And subtotal for each region, because we chosen that region as a for subtotal part, right? Okay, sometimes we want to add some more subtotals in there, more detailed subtotal. And let's say, how about by the sales representative for each region? So go back to subtotal again, and at this moment we want to choose sales representative, and still we want to get the sum of sales. Now this is very important. We already had that subtotal according to the region. If you don't want that information anymore, then you still select this one. Replace the current subtotal, which is done by region, by this new representative, right? Sales representative, like that. But if you want to keep the former subtotals and include this new subtotals in there, then you have to unselect this one. Please make sure that, and click OK and see what happens here. When you click it, it's actually include one more column, which is done by each sales representative of each region. So you have another more detailed plus minus. So when you click that, it shows all the detailed sales record for this person, and that is the total of that person. Okay? And if you click this one again, it shows not only the subtotal for each region, but it also shows subtotal for each sales representative of each region.